Hi, my name is Callum, your course director. A little bit about me. I started my education in the 90s doing computer science and computer systems engineering, specializing in network engineering at RMIT University. Since then, in the past 25 years, I've firsthand seen some large cybersecurity incidents and helped build and protect some of the national digital infrastructure that requires the highest level of security and managing sensitive data. Meet Sergey, my colleague who has worked with me on many projects related to cloud and cybersecurity and some large and complex projects. Also, meet Dolly, who brings over 10 years of experience with large enterprises such as ServiceNow and Adobe. Over the next 4 weeks, I'll guide you through the essential aspects of securing your AWS cloud infrastructure and applications. From databases and serverless functions to authentication and authorization, we're going to cover everything you need to know to safeguard your cloud resources effectively. Let's start this journey together to ensure our cloud infrastructure are safe. In our first week, we'll focus on the backbone of many applications, the database. Specifically, we'll dive into provisioning and securing AWS RDS, Amazon's relational database service. I'll show you how to create an RDS instance, configure security groups, and implement best practices for database encryption and access management. By the end of this week, you'll be equipped to manage your database instance securely, protecting them from unauthorized access and potential data breaches. In week 2, I'll take you into the world of serverless with AWS Lambda and API Gateway. We'll explore securing your serverless functions against vulnerabilities and using API Gateway to manage, secure, and scale your APIs. I'll cover IAM roles, access policies, and best practices for securing serverless executions. By week's end, your serverless applications will not only run effectively, but will also stand strong against threats. For our third week, we'll tackle the critical task of securing API keys and managing cross-origin resource sharing or CORS in full-stack applications. I'll share strategies to keep your API keys safe from exposure and misuse, including using environment variables, secret management services, and secure deployment practices. We'll look at configuring CORS policy correctly to protect your apps from cross-site scripting or XSS attacks while ensuring they remain accessible to authorized origin. In our final week, the fourth week, I'm going to focus on user authentication and authorization with AWS Cognito. You'll learn how to integrate Cognito to manage user identities, authentication flows, and access control. I'll explain user pools, user identity, and how Cognito can be integrated with other AWS services for a secure, scalable, and authentication solution. By end of this week, you'll have the knowledge to implement robust authentication mechanism that protects your applications and data across your organizations. As we embark on this journey together in this bootcamp, I want to share with you the key milestones we'll achieve. This experience is designed not only to impart knowledge, but to transform you and equipping you with the essential skills and the confidence to tackle real world challenges in the field of cloud security. Let's take a closer look at what you'll gain from this bootcamp. First and foremost, I'll guide you through developing the essential technical skills you need to thrive in the cybersecurity domain. From understanding the intricacies of cloud infrastructure to mastering security protocols, you'll gain a comprehensive list that's set that crucial for safeguarding digital assets in the cloud. Each module is crafted to ensure you're not just learning, but mastering the core concepts that form the backbone of cybersecurity. But what good are the skills if you can't apply them when it matters the most? That's why our curriculum is designed around real world scenarios that you're likely to encounter in your career. Through practical exercises and case studies, I'll show you how to apply those newly acquired technical skills to solve complex security challenges. This approach ensures that when you face similar situations in the field, you'll be well prepared to tackle them heads on. Our goal is clear: to help you emerge as a proficient cybersecurity cloud specialist. This isn't just about learning, it's about becoming. By the end of our time together, you'll have a deep understanding of cloud security mechanisms and best practices. More importantly, you'll possess the confidence and the expertise to design, implement, and manage security solutions in cloud environments, making you a valuable asset in this critical field. Hands on experience is a cornerstone of our learning approach. You'll dive into labs, engage with simulation exercises, and participate in projects that mimic the complexities of real world cybersecurity operations. This immersive experience is designed to reinforce our knowledge and ensure you can apply whatever you've learned practically. It's about bridging the gap between theory and practice, preparing you for the challenges of cybersecurity landscape. Lastly, we'll delve into high demand industry tools. The cybersecurity field is ever evolving, and new tools and technologies emerge at a rapidly pace. I'll introduce you to the tools that are most valued by industry professionals today, providing you with hands on training on how to use them effectively. By familiarizing yourself with these tools, you'll be equipped to stay ahead in a competitive and fast paced industry. As we progress through this bootcamp, remember that each step is designed with your growth in mind. This learning outcomes is not just objectives, they're milestones in your path to becoming a leader in cybersecurity. I'm here to guide you, challenge you, support you every step of the way. Together, we'll unlock your potential and pave the way for a successful career in the cybersecurity cloud specialization.